Hi guys, what's up? Jamie. So right now, the Jamaica Stock Exchange is one of the 10 worst performing stock exchanges in the world. So what does this mean for you? Today we're going to be talking about the Jamaica Stock Exchange and how the coronavirus has been affecting the prices of stock on the exchange. Now, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Also turn on your post notification, alright? Now, if these are topics that you're interested in, just go ahead and leave a thumbs up for me, alright guys? Also, if you want, you can connect with me on Instagram or Twitter. I'm on Instagram at JARadcliffe or Twitter at JARadcliffe2030. So the Jamaica Stock Exchange is currently on a down low, and I know a lot of you guys that have been watching the video should have gotten a lot of good deals by now. But depending on what you may have bought, you may not be seeing those gains as yet. While the gains will come, they're just taking a bit longer than anticipated to get here. Plus, we need to remember the coronavirus right now still in full swing in Jamaica, so we kind of have to be a bit more patient just because of that. So recently, we start accepting tourists back into the island, and as we know, yesterday, the 21st of July, the entertainment industry has also gotten its first green light to start hosting events. So let's see how all this plays out in the future. So as we went through a full lockdown, people. Some people might have lost their jobs, some people may be on reduced hours, some persons' salaries have also been cut because of the whole pandemic. So it is only normal for investing to be put on the back burner right now, where people are basically now focusing on fulfilling their day-to-day needs. But what I believe though, I think we don't really need to fear anything, because you see, as soon as people start working again and the economy starts crawling out of its shell, we can expect investing to be going back up. Right now, the stock market in the US, they're some of the best performing stock markets around the world to date. But why? When we check it out, the US right now is one of the hardest hit by coronavirus. So how is it that your economy is taking such a huge beating and your stock markets are up? There's only one answer to that question: government intervention. The American government has decided that they're not going to let the stock market crash. So what they have been doing is to actually provide loans to the companies on the stock market that are in dire need. So because of this, investors are basically just working as it's business as usual, because the government is not going to let anybody fail. Personally, still, I hope a lot of them don't fail, because I own stocks on the stock market in the US, so I need the government to pretty much keep doing what it's doing, ensure my companies don't fail, and hopefully start making some profit off these companies too. But guess what? You see, with our local stock market, our government can't do that. So all of the prices on the stock market pretty much left up to what investors believe it should be. Now, case in point, less than a year ago, we have NCB, because everybody knows NCB, one of the biggest banks in Jamaica right now. NCB's stock price was selling for like $200 for one stock, $200. But when you check out the stock right now, you see a price of like 135 Jamaican dollars to one, or sometimes 140, because it pretty much fluctuate between the 135 and the 140, and then come back down. I just saw it upon. You understand, people? Now, when you check it out, alright, so let's say the highest price NCB went was $200. And right now, even though we know say they are kind of 135 too, let's say they are 140 now. So right now, so we lose $60 per share. Now, on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, NCB is one of the biggest companies on the exchange. NCB have over 2 billion shares in issue. You understand me? 2 billion shares. So when you lose $60 for every one of them 2 billion shares, what happened in the exchange take a hit of 120 billion. Just the NCB alone. And remember, it's not just NCB. Everybody will take a hit. But we know NCB have a big chunk of it. So that's why I'm actually highlighting them. Understand? Now, while NCB may be down, there are stocks on the market that pretty much right now are at their pre-COVID prices. If you had found any of these stocks before the rebound, then I'm sure you'd have made some good money. For me, one of the stocks that I normally look at is one called Indies Pharma. Now, early on this year, I bought Indies Pharma for $3 for one. Now, when the whole pandemic started and everybody just started dumb stock here and dumb stock there, Indies Pharma dropped to like under $1. You understand? Now, when Indies Pharma dropped to under $1, you know what me do? Me run go grab up some more. So, my price at $3 right this now, and I'm start average it out. And I think I average it down to like mostly $2.20 something because of the amount of stock I pick up for the under $1. Now, I checked the Indies stock recently, and right now I've seen where it has now been trading for $3. And remember, you know, pre-COVID, you know, Indies started out at $3. It was pretty much on that $3 level. I never really want to go up still, but I still hope say pass it. Probably just jump up $4. But let's see what happened. Now, people, remember, you see, all of these stocks I'm talk about, it's not an endorsement to buy any stock, you know. I'm just telling you about my experiences and what I am seeing happening on the markets right now. I think what I'm also going to do, you know. So as you see, as I said, how Indies actually went up on my portfolio, I think I'm going to do a video on some of the stocks in my portfolio that I got during the pandemic, the price that I got them for, and basically the gains that I'm getting right now of these stocks that are now rebounding. Now, if you want to see a video like that where I show you my stock picks and how they're doing right now, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, alright people? But still, not all the companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange are at their pre-COVID levels. So I know that this can present some good opportunities for some of you guys out there looking to buy some stocks. You know, I don't know. I think I might do a giveaway. Going to think about it. But let's get back on track, guys. So yeah, a lot of good deals are out there right now, and personally I plan to get as much as I can so once the JSE get back to where it was, because last year it was in the top 5 exchanges in the world. So once it go back to the top 5, me know say I have a whole heap of gains to expect. So if you guys are looking to get some gains, I would say right now is one of the best time to actually look into the stock exchange and see where you can buy some stocks that are undervalued right now. Now, thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, turn on your post notification, alright? Before you decide to make any financial decision, whether it's the stock market or anything like that, please speak to your licensed portfolio advisor so that they can guide you properly. Bye-bye.